Welcome back to the Stumpf Moving Storage YouTube channel. As always, I'm Sean, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to pad and protect standing lamps for a move. Now, we get a lot of questions about how to pad and protect certain items, and this one overwhelmingly popped up in our comment section. We do love to hear from you guys, so if you ever have anything you want to know about the moving and storage industry, if you want to learn how to pack something, please go ahead and drop a line in the comment section below there. But this one specifically came up recently, and I wanted to go ahead and show you exactly how it's done, because no, standing lamps do not get packed inside of a box. They're too big. So we pad wrap them just like regular furniture, and then we'll place them up into the load. For those of you guys who have elected to move yourself, this is the best way and the professional way to pad wrap. For everybody else who's in the moving and storage industry, or maybe just starting out, this is a great tutorial that will teach you how to professionally pad wrap. If you learned something, hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos that will teach you how to prepare for your move. And just like that, we'll get into it. Recently, I did a video that explained the top items that people forget to pack when they move. Listed in that were lamps. Well, down in the comment section, we had a question that asked what to do with large standing lamps. Well, large standing lamps are too big to put down inside of a box. We protect large standing lamps by pad wrapping them and treating them as if they're furniture. And then in the truck, they're considered up stuff. Now, if you're wondering what up stuff is or how to load these, we have a video linked right here that describes how to load a moving van. Specifically, when we get into these items, they're going to be the items that are placed up top. That's why they're called up stuff. Those of you in the industry might know it as stick. All right, guys, it's the moment you've been waiting for. I'm going to get into showing you exactly how to pad a large standing lamp. And for this, you'll need one moving pad and one large rubber band. All you'll do is take this pad and spread it out onto the floor with the inside facing up, just like this. A quick side note for you guys, if you need any of the materials to get this job done, go ahead and take a look down in the description below. We have everything listed down there, from moving pads to moving bands, all that kind of stuff. It's all going to be listed right down there in the description below. Now take the lamp that you desire to pad, place it at an angle in the center of the pad. Then take each corner, starting from the top and the bottom, wrapping it over, then the sides. From there, you can begin to roll the lamp and take the corner over. Now you'll want that large rubber band, like this one here. We're going to use this to hold that moving pad onto the lamp. Now you'll have to make sure that you remember where the top and where the bottom is. We're going to start from the top, making sure that we hook it around, and we're going to drag this band, after crisscrossing it, down around the feet. Wrap it around one time, making sure that it holds the pad into place. Now, I wrapped it around another leg because I wasn't getting enough of contact to hold the pad in there. Now, I did have to move the band around a little bit, but that's because each lamp is different and the coverage you might get will vary. For this one, it had 3 legs, so I ended up having to move it around one of the other ones. Now, that pad is going to stay on there, and then whenever I go to load it, it will continue to stay on, and whenever I unload, it will continue to stay on. If you just diaper wrap these without putting that rubber band on, the pad will fall off whenever you're trying to get it into the load, and that will cause quite a problem for you because that pad is just going to fall off in front of your face, and that's pretty dangerous. So we want to make sure that we put that rubber band on there. 1, it's for safety, and 2, it's to make sure this pad stays in place so that this lamp cannot get damaged. Now, again, just like everything else, things can vary. If you have a standing lamp that comes apart, take it apart. If you have a standing lamp that's extremely fragile, a moving pad may not be the best option for it because that pad adds extra weight, and this band can put tension on things. So we want to make sure that we're cognizant of what we have. Don't lie to yourself. If you guys have something that's too fragile, well, there might be another way to handle it. But for the majority of these types of lamps, this is exactly how we do it. And just like that, I'm gonna get this into the load. While watching this video, if something popped into your mind, if you have a question about how to pack a specific item that we don't cover here, go ahead and let us know in the comment section below. And don't just stop there, guys. We love to share industry knowledge. We've been in the business since 1936, and with all of that time comes a wealth of knowledge that we're happy to share with you. So go ahead, ask away. Just leave it right down in the comment section below. If you stuck around this long, I know you enjoyed the video and I know you learned something. So go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos that will teach you how to prepare for your move. This is a little off topic here, but I know I have some industry professionals watching this video. And if you're looking for a career change, if you're located in the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area, we are hiring, and we're hiring truck drivers and movers. And a CDL is not a requirement for employment. That's right, a regular driver's license will do. So if you're interested in working with us, you could go ahead and take a look at our website. It's linked right here. From there, just follow it on down to the career tab and drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you guys. We're looking to expand, and we'd love to have you on our team. And until next time, thanks for watching.